Hello. Welcome to the Keto Det channel, where we provide you with different names of keto diets and their ingredients. My name is Kenneth. When you know the name of a keto recipe and its ingredients, it will be easier for you to make the recipe at home. And/or search for the tutorial of that particular recipe to learn how to make it. It is a good idea we make our keto diet at home. Understanding the nutrients of the ingredients is important if you are to provide your body with the right balance of nutrients. But you do not have to know every last detail of the nutritional composition of your food. The importance of the keto diet for weight loss. The ketogenic diet can be the ideal weight loss plan, especially if you have diabetes or want to burn down extra pounds. This is a very low carbohydrate diet that promises to effectively lose weight while lowering blood sugar enough. The keto diet can reverse type 2 diabetes, at least for the lucky few. Another benefit of the keto diet is that it helps reduce systemic inflammation, which can have many negative effects on the entire body. Unlike other popular low-carb diets, which are usually high in animal protein, the keto diet aims to burn stored fat instead of using sugar as its main fuel. When fat is broken down in the liver instead of glucose, it creates a secondary energy product called ketones. The recipe for today is keto pizza crust. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 3 ounces shredded cheese mozzarella topping, 2 tablespoons unsweetened tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 ounces shredded cheese, 1.5 ounces pepperoni. You increase the measure of your ingredients and toppings depending on the number of people you want to serve. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel so that you will be notified when new content is published.